Hi, I am Masaki Ono, a senior patent attorney belonging to the Trademark Division of Fukan Patent Office in Japan. This is the 11th of my mini lectures on the Japanese trademark practice, and I will quite briefly answer 3 FAQs about Japanese trademark applications. Now let's go. Question number 22. A foreign geographical name is sometimes unregisterable as a trademark due to lack of distinctiveness. Yes or no? The answer is yes. If the name is familiar to Japanese consumers and can be perceived as the origin of the designated goods, services, and the like, it will be unregisterable. Question number 23. When judging similarity dissimilarity of marks among sound, appearance, and meaning, the JPO puts the most importance on appearance. Yes or no? The answer is no. The JPO puts the most importance on sound. Question number 24. A third party's unregistered trademark in Japan can be cited as a conflicting prior mark. Yes or no? The answer is yes. If the trademark is well known or famous to Japanese consumers, it can be cited. Thank you so much for your kind attention. Please do contact me anytime if you have any questions or requests about the themes of future lectures, or I can be of any assistance. See you soon.